50-cent cookie, please. See ya.
That's
Yeah! Ozzy, I gotta hand it to you, man. Those cookies tasted delicious.
Don't thank me. I did it for the greater scientific community.
So, what happened to the THC?
Ooh, good question. Well, I put it all. First of all, don't forget this. I steamed out the two-thirds most potent THC, and I put it into that coffee cup right there. So that is not coffee. That is not coffee. Don't drink from that.
Okay.
It's THC.
What happened to the other third?
Hang on. Let me just put my cool shades on. Right here, baby. Surf's up, dudes! Oh, I'm so hooked up.
Scott and Daddy!
Mr. Spaghetti! Mr. Spaghetti, look, we sold 1,000 cookies. We can keep the bakery, right?
First, it's Mr. Look, none of that matters. 1,000 cookies, what are you talking about? I told you already that there's no way you could keep the bakery.
Oh no, come on, take a look here, Mr. Spaghetti. We've been selling these things like hotcakes today, okay? Listen, the point is, we've earned it. We're staying.
Okay, Scott. So, I wasn't entirely honest with you about the 1,000 cookie thing.
What?
Look, when Mr. Spaghetti told me that he was going to take the bakery away from us, I was having so much fun with you and with Karen and even Ozzy.
Cowabunga!
You made it all up?
I did, but, I did it for us. I thought if Mr. Spaghetti saw how great we were running this bakery, he'd let us keep it. Please don't be mad at me.
How can I be mad at you? You're my daddy.
Stop that right now! This is wrong! She's your sister!
Hey, she's my twin sister.
Look, I'm sorry if I misled you, but as I said to you on the phone this afternoon, I made a grave error. There's a clause in your uncle's will that I skipped because something was covering it.
Was it spaghetti?
Yes. With white sauce.
Ooh, baby, white sauce.
And veal chops.
Ooh, white
And a
sauce.
thing of Clams Casino.
Ooh, white sauce.
Now, I'll give this charming young lady $100 tip. And I'll have a cup of what I assume is coffee. This is amazing! Now about your will. If I remember correctly, the bakery shall absolutely not, and that's the part I missed, not pass to my niece and nephew, those sons of a bitch.
Oh, at least you didn't hate Mom.
Look, wow, that's good coffee. I wish I could do more about this, but I'm afraid the bakery's not yours, kids.
Hold it right there!
Antonia, my darling wife, what are you doing here?
I tried to come sooner, but I missed my exit on the Pacific Coast Highway and had to get off on Houston Street.
God, I'm so sorry. This is Mr. and Mrs. Good.
Oh, no, I'm not a missus. I'm not married.
Yet.
My darling, you have chocolate all over your beautiful face.
Oh, it's just impossible to eat a Baby Ruth while driving in this day and age. Don't you agree?
I absolutely do. But tell me why you're not home.
I think I found a solution to your big case.
The big case?
Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Are you talking about to us? Did you figure out a way to keep
What?
this bakery?
No. I don't care about you. I have 30 cases a week. They're the least important thing on my docket. We could have taken care of this over the phone. But the big case!
Oh, why would anyone kill Patricia? She had no enemies and all had lost her fortune, so why would anyone want her dead? But that's when I thought, if Patricia McLaughlin was found dead, there'd have to be a police investigation. And who would benefit most from a police investigation?
Commissioner Simonson! Of course! That makes perfect sense. That's why all that evidence went missing. So if we use the key, it'll open Tipson's iron mine!
What the fuck is he talking about?
Why, it was closed when we tried to go down the mine shaft.
During the interview on Monday, September 20th! It seems that Commissioner Simonson is toast. Now, come, my love, to the mystery machine.
He just talked to the door for 10 minutes about Scooby-Doo.
Yeah, a door, okay, or an invisible Satan.
Still with a
Am I right? Come on, that's a thing.
All right, well, I guess we're off the hook, right?
Yeah, I mean, apparently Mr. Spaghetti has more important things to worry about than our little bakery.
No, we get to stay.
Yeah!
Woo, yeah, I'm gonna get in on this game.
Okay, sure.
He's probably gonna remember, though, right?
Here we go. Here we go again.
Here we go again!
That was our little show. Thank you all so much for coming out. We sold out, obviously, and we turned a lot of people away, so we have to turn this around really quick. Thank you all so much for coming out. We need you out of here.
In 2 minutes.
Guys, thank you so much.
Thank you.